Hi guys, Laz here, and pretty much in this video we're going to be covering how to edit the titles, the description, how to edit the images, all that good stuff here on the product page. So before I get started, I want to mention something that I forgot to mention in the previous video, and it is when you are pushing the product to the Shopify store and that product, the title that is being used to push that product, that is what is going to come out on your store's URL. So you might be wondering and saying, oh, that probably doesn't matter much. And in a way it doesn't, but with Google Ads, one of the biggest things is the product URL, the title, the description. You want everything on your product to be really good because especially to things that people are searching on Google, because that is how they are going to find your product. So just keep that in mind when you're pushing the products to make sure that your titles are not some jumbled mess like this. Make sure you are, trying to refine those titles a little bit more as I'm going to do now. I'm not going to re-push the product, but just so you know, right before you push the product, you want to make sure that these titles are, you know, better. So I'm actually going to go in here and I'm going to change the title of this product a little bit. And if you look up here, you'll get a good idea of what this is. Now, it's basically a puppy's bandana collar. And as we can see here, the sizes that they offer are only small. So I'm just going to call it a puppy bandana collar. I guess that's how you spell bandana. Um, and let me see. They're calling it a neckerchief. I don't even know if that's a thing. But you can also add that maybe. Uh, Actually, I'm just going to keep it like that. Keep it simple puppy bandana collar. And we're going to continue going through all these things now here. So basically, this script right here, what I added to the description, is something that we're going to give you guys. It's something that we use on our product descriptions, and we think it works great. It helps people, gives them some scarcity here. Grab your discounted product name. We're gonna go in there and put puppy bandana collar while the store launch discount is on. Once we reach 300 unit sales, we will be increasing the price back to, and you want to put the compare at price that you put previously. I think for this one we used I think it was 29.95. So 29.95. This is absolutely a great gift. So that's the first part. Then we'll put order now because these are flying off our shelves. No mistake there. Limit to 5 per customer max. Now there isn't really a limit on this, but you just want to give the impression that we are selling a ton of them, and you just want to create that scarcity in the customer's mind so that they go ahead and buy the product. Now here is where the actual product description is going to go, and for this part we're actually just going to go back to AliExpress, see what the description of the product says, and then come up with something of our own. We can also do some research on Google, see what other stores are using for their descriptions, and basically come up with something for that. And yeah, so we're going to do that now in a bit. We're just going to go over everything else. This product is a limited production and is not available in stores. Will sell out fast and just more scarcity after the description. Click add to cart to order yours now. Satisfaction guaranteed with every order. All prices are listed in USD, just making that clear. And then our guarantee. Now this is super, super, super important because we want to show that, if they don't like the product, there's no risk and they can just email us, if they need assistance, etc. There's zero risk for them in buying something and trying it out. Just all that stuff. Most people are not going to return the item. They're just gonna buy it and then keep it. They don't want to pay that shipping price that they have to send it back. And this is only a $20 product, so chances are that that would be kind of pointless. So in this product description, you just want to write something cool. Google does look at these product descriptions and uses them so when people are searching for products. So we want to make sure that this is a unique thing that we're writing here in terms of this product description and making sure that it explains what the product is and what it does. We can even add some pictures. And these are the pictures that I downloaded here that I'm going to add to this section in the product description. I'm actually just going to add them now. So I'm going to go here, insert image. I'm going to upload. All right, so we're here. And we found this image on AliExpress. So I'm going to insert that image there. Basically, it tells them the sizing of the sizing of the bandana. I wonder if I can crop this. Edit image. Just trying to crop this image so that I don't see that. So there's some image editing options here, but for some reason it's not letting me edit that there, but that's fine. If you want, you can just edit that before uploading it. I'm just gonna leave it here for now because it doesn't really matter. So got that image. I actually got another one too. Let me upload the second image. This one right here that shows some animals wearing it. So go here. So it shows a picture. This is pretty cool because it shows a picture of other animals wearing the puppy bandana collar. So we're gonna go here and put have your pet stand out with this awesome puppy bandana. Great for the most stylish of puppies. And we can say comes in different, I think it's four, in four different colors for your four different colors to satisfy puppy tastes. And what else can we say about this? Here for the most stylish of puppies comes in four different colors to satisfy all puppy taste. Grab yours today and gift it favorite puppy. So something to that effect. This is just something really basic. I didn't even look up what the description was for AliExpress. I just kind of made this up on the spot. So something like that will work fine, guys. And you just wanna, I mean, you wanna do a little bit more research than I did right here, but yeah, something like that just to get you guys, give you guys an idea. So yeah, if I go ahead and save this now, I can actually see what this looks like. I have opened up here the theme editor, and I can see what my page looks like. So I'm gonna actually refresh this. So here we are, guys. So it says, see, here's our description. We actually have this green add to cart that's moving. Sometimes it moves, sometimes it doesn't, depending on your browser and your settings and all that good stuff. But here's your add to cart. Green for a good reason, guys. You want to make sure you leave that green because green is an attractive Green means go, guys, and you want people clicking on that button as much as possible. So yeah, we have everything here. We have the picture, looks good. Let's see how it would look on mobile. So this is kind of a good idea. So you have that scrolling add to cart, invaluable, guys. So as people are scrolling, they have that option of clicking add to cart at any time. They can also go back to top, see your product, look through the images, etc. Now I'm probably going to take out this sizing option here because we're only offering one size, so it's kind of pointless to have this here. I'll be removing that now, but the color one is good. We have all the colors. And yeah. Okay guys, so that's pretty much for this video. That's editing titles, descriptions, and images. Actually, let me show you guys the images real quick. There are a couple things that we can do with those. And we can actually edit images here. So selecting a variant images, uh, you can add images. Let's say these aren't any good. You can add images to this. You can remove these images and put new ones if you like. You can take these all out and just use the same image for all of them, which would be this main image here. Because you can kind of see all of the, you can kind of see all four colors here. But yeah, I'm going to keep it this way just because I like how this looks. And remember we said we're going to take out size, so we'll do that real quick. We want to go into edit options. We have color, we have size. We actually want to delete size. So click right here, delete, click save. And now size is gone from here, guys. So now if we go back into the theme, that should be long gone. Yeah, so we just have color and quantity. Perfect. Oh look, so you guys can see what I was talking about previously. So this is the URL that it pushed to the shop with. And this is obviously an issue, guys. You can go in here and you can edit this URL handle. And that's probably what we're going to do because right now it looks like a mess. So we want to go in here. Actually, I'm having some trouble selecting this. Just go all the way to the end here and delete all of this. And yeah, we want to do puppy bandana collar. So we'll go ahead, and for this meta description, we actually want to remove this and use the description that we created here, because this is what Google is going to be picking up to advertise your product. So yeah, guys, we have puppy bandana collar. We can actually add some more words here. Here would be good to add some of those puppy scarf. Oops, click something there. They don't want to. Puppy scarf. What did they call it? Yeah, that seems fine to me. So yeah, guys, you basically want to make sure you edit this description as well. You edit this title. Make sure that your URL is good to go. It doesn't have all this stuff here. They called it a neckerchief. That's what they called it. So you can add that to puppy necker. I mean, as much as you guys want here. I like to keep this simple and just keep it, like this. That's just my preference. But the description, you want to make sure it's good and that you have all that information there. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much for this video. I know I said that a while ago, and this time it's for real. So yeah, in the next video, we're going to be talking about adding products to collections. So we'll do that quickly, and then we're going to go into the theme and check out the things we can edit on the product pages. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.